Good afternoon, everybody. It's Sunday, 2:20 p.m. This is your introduction to your weekly online modules from now until the end of the year, which is still to be determined. But every Sunday evening or Monday morning, I will post your assignments as a weekly module. Uh, so let's jump into it, and I'll get into the due dates. Okay. So here's an example. This is my integrated 3 math class. I can go to the stream. I can go to classwork. I'm going to go to classwork. Why? Because I'm going to be looking for this online module. This is where I will be posting all of your online modules every week and where I will check to see if you completed it or not. Due date. Look at the due date. For example, this is the module I'm going to post tonight, and it's due on April 12th, no later than 11:59 p.m., which is Sunday night. This is due Sunday night before midnight, okay? Read the instructions. After you read the instructions, make sure that you understand what's going on, and then you click on this form, okay? When you click on it, let's say you click on it, it opens this new tab, oops, and it'll say, welcome back, week 27 to Hell Cafe Online. You'll know it's you because it'll show your email address on there. As you can tell, this is not me. Okay, so you begin with, whoops, let me go back real quick because I kind of made sure this was working. But this will be the first section. It's broken up in sections. Complete every section. As you saw, at the end of the last section, this whole progress bar will be filled in, and you submit. And we'll get to that in a minute. So, type in your answers. Read the questions. Type in your answers. Yes, no, other. Type in your answers, and then next. Please answer all questions on this form and complete all hyperlinks because they are also part of assignments attached to this form. Second section, page 204. So I'm in the second section. I read my instructions. Usually I'll have a title up here of what you're going to do. Here are my instructions. And then I click on this link, okay? When I click on this link, it's going to send me to, in this case, a PowerPoint. Go through each slide. Take notes if you need to, okay? It'll have instructions, examples of what we've done so far. Make sure to read the last slide, okay? Once you're done, you can go ahead and close it. Then you come back and say, okay, I'm done with this. Next section, page 3 or 4. Optional. Again, read the title here. Optional, opcional, which means you don't have to do this. No tienen que hacer esto necesariamente, pero si lo necesitan, por favor, complétalo. So if you do need it, please complete it. Again, it's optional. There are YouTube videos that I sort of went through and made sure I picked the best ones that I felt got to the heart of the work. If you click on anyone, you can choose anyone. They're titled from level 1, which would be the simplest ones, to level 3, which is a little more complicated, but still understandable. You click on the link. Let's say you click on this first one. It's going to show you the video at a specific time slot. Don't start it from the beginning. Why? Because all of this is a waste of your time. I went through it, so I made sure that a lot of these YouTube videos start at where I wanted to start, okay? So I press play,
For every term,
and I started taking notes,
in your
okay?
original problem, there's a factor of 3.
Maximize,
That
minimize.
means that a 3 can
He sounds
factor
very
out
boring, but
a trinomial.
focus on the problem
And you're
itself,
left with
okay? Minimize, okay, I'm done with the video. Write down some notes. I'm going to close this window. Okay, and then I click here, complete. And let's say after I've completed this video, quiero seguir con otro video, puedo seguir con otro video, o si ya no quiero hacer más videos, ya entiendo lo que tengo que hacer, puedo seguir a la siguiente sección. I can now skip and go on to page 4, the fourth section. Read the title, practice. Práctica es el título de aquí. Complete the assignment in your homework journal. Okay? Read the instructions. These are in order. Si hay orden para cada trabajo. Comienza con simplificar. So click on the simplification. It'll look something like this. Read the instructions. They're in English and Spanish. Complete each problem in order. And then I have multiplying. That would be the second assignment. Read the instructions. Address my questions and solve or simplify each problem. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. I go back, regreso para atrás a la misma forma con el que inicié. Ahora, el último, división de expresiones racionales. Notice that these are a little bit more. Read the instructions, address the instructions, and simplify. And then once I'm done, I can go ahead and close each of the tabs. Puedo cerrar cada página. Ya completé. Aseguro que cada vez que completo cada una de estas tareas, marco aquí and mark it as checked. You have to mark them checked, okay, or else it won't let you submit. In fact, submit. Ya cuando completaron todo, ponle que sí, que es una copia de tus respuestas. En caso que algo pase o que no recibe yo tus respuestas, tú tienes una copia que me puedes mandar la copia de esas respuestas. Could be like your receipt. So make sure always click this as yes in purple. Send me a copy of my responses. Submit. Now you're done. Now, how do I submit the last section, section 4, the practice? ¿Cómo voy a entregar y enseñarte, Mr. Cerno, todos mis trabajos de los ejercicios que hice en la página 4? Okay, so what you do is, once you submit, you're here, go back here, and then you're going to go to View Assignment. Okay, go to View Assignment. If it says this, if it looks like this, unsubmit. It has to look like this. Se tiene que ver así. Si no se ve así, si se vio como anteriormente que dice unsubmit, hagan click unsubmit para que le dé la oportunidad de agregar sus fotos. If you have it saved on Google Drive, click on Google Drive. If you have a file, find your files on your computer, upload, then press mark as done. Y al final, antes del domingo, 12 de abril, medianoche, make sure everything's all complete and then mark as done. Yes, it's okay. And you are done. Okay? And that is it. If you have any questions, please send me an email. I'll post a new video later this week on how my office hours work and what to expect for the next weeks for the end of this year. But for now, every weekly module will look like this. In forms, I'll be broken into sections. Complete each section, then submit any pictures that show your work if need be. And once you're done, make sure you submit it before the deadline. It will be posted always on Google Classroom. And that will be it. If you have any questions, again, send me an email. I'll be posting a video later this week about my office hours and how the whole scheduling is going to work for this week and the following weeks. Have a great Sunday. Bye.